Hello, friends. Welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today, for the first time when I came to Sunflower Land, I got a notification and clicked on that. You can see a huge number of orders are there. Some of them you can earn SFL and some of them you can earn feather. So you can do it, you can fulfill those orders by going to Pumpkin Plaza, or you can wait to refresh those orders. New delivery is available in 20 hours and 11 minutes. Well, I need to bake a beetroot cake that is not available to me. Let's bake it. It will take 19 hours, no problem. And from where I got the news, this is earnalliance.com. You can see this is basically a website that all the games starting from Sunflower Land, Axie Infinity, Illuvium, and all the games, Web3 games that are available, they have listed in this site. And they, I'm coming to this site information later. Let me let me read out this notice from Sunflower Land so that you can understand what's new feature have been added or new things have been fixed so that you can play accordingly. A couple of fixes have just been released by the team few for players who completed an order from the previous day. After the reset, a new order will now replace that. Nice. Players will now be able to skip as many orders as they wish at the start of the following day. Do note, if you skip a delivery, you will lose the opportunity to have been rewarded those feathers or SFL. As a reminder, deliveries behave like Hank's chores. As you know that in Hank's chores, if you fulfill a order, you can get the feathers reward, but if you don't fulfill, it will be there, or whenever you will fulfill, you can get the feather reward at that time. And if you wish to skip, you can skip as well. Please ensure you have refreshed your browser and you are on latest version 1.5.64. Please do check while you are coming to Sunflower Land. So this is the latest version, and here you can get the orders issue fixed. Once again, we appreciate everyone's patience and calmness during the release. Well, this is the notification we got to know. Now I am coming to this website. This is earnalliance.com, and they are giving a huge airdrop. I have recently done a video on that yesterday, and they are providing Twitter badge. This is the Twitter badge, and you can, there are 15 days left. You can mint, and for that, you will get all the powers and Alice token every day. Okay, so these are the previous NFTs. Those are not available right now, but if you come to this site right now, if you open this video, you'll find the link of the Twitter, and from there you can directly come to that Earn Alliance site and you can register yourself. Before that, you can just have a look how to do this. If you wish to, you can do. Now let's come back to Sunflower Land. First, go to Pumpkin Plaza, so that if we have anything to sell out the order, we must fulfill those. Yes, we are here. Let's start our journey. Let's see here. if we have anything. These three friends are very good to me. They always let me have to fulfill my order. Hungry goblin needs sustenance. Have what? Hooray! You have bought me food. Okay, nice. I have got sunflower cake. I can deliver it. This is always lucky for me. Green tooth. Greetings, weary travelers. Looking for me, are you? Yeah, splendid. You have obtained the elusive ingredients. Okay, I have got pumpkin salads. I am delivering it. That's nice. What brings you delivery? Oh no, it seems you don't have what I need. Oh, this beetroot cake I don't have right now. I will come to him after I prepare the cake. And before that, let me go to Frankie just to check out. Nothing. This is spooky tree. Oh, a hauntingly fun addition to your farm's decor. No, no, no. I am not going to spend 50 SFL just for decoration. I am not that rich. Hi, buddy. Collect enough feathers and you can craft. Okay, I got to know this. Uh, Now, Luna. I'm not going to Luna. Now, let's check to Cornwall. But I am not going to deliver this to him. Let's go to Betty. Yes, I can sell some carrots. Hi, Timmy. You have done it again. Your kindness. I could have sell those, but they will take 20 blueberry and 20 oranges to deliver this only for 4 feathers. So I am not going to sell this right now. You don't possess what I seek. I will, I will wait to see if I can't be able to fulfill 100 orders in coming days. Then only I will try to sell those things. But before that, I must check out if I have anything to fulfill the order. You don't have active order, no problem. I'm going to Raven to check out. Hi, Raven. No, 40 eggs. Not now. I am not going to give my 40 eggs for 3 feathers. Now I am going back. What is this? Yes, I am having all these things. I have fulfilled these two, and another one I have fulfilled, that is carrot. So let's go back to my home and check out. I had 91 deliveries completed already, so it should be count like 94. Let's go and check out. If it is 94, then it's fine. Yes, 94. So I have 6 more deliveries to complete. Then 100 deliveries will be completed. And please do let me know if you have completed 100 deliveries and what extra prize you got, or what extra rewards you got. And you can check. No, this is the thing. Yes, this will be replaced in 20 hours. Okay, and I am having beetroot cake to be baked. So soon I will go to that pumpkin plaza and sell it off or fulfill this order. Apart from that, I have few things to sell, but still I am just waiting. Look, this is the pumpkin. They are offering these apple and beetroot for 4, this 15 beetroot and 4 apples. The If I go to Cornwall, then if I go to Raven, then I can fulfill this order. If I go to Timmy, then with oranges and blueberry, 20 oranges and 20 blueberry, I can fulfill this. If I go to Bart, oh, I'll be waiting you. Mushroom, jacket, potatoes, that I can craft. Seaweed, really. Blacksmith, let's check. Iron, no. First I chop these trees, then I need to go to blacksmith once again. If I have this, let me try out. So, oh, this is iron, but stone. Okay, this stone iron I can do it later. Wood also I can do it later. Crab. Okay, let's go to blacksmith once, and if I can sell out those seaweed or crabs, that would be good for me. Let's check out. Directly going to blacksmith. No, not here, right? Where is? Oh, here. Okay, delivery. Finally, you got the materials. Okay, I can deliver crab and seaweed. Oh, you lack the materials required. Don't waste my time. Return when you are prepared. I have to fulfill all these to the blacksmith. 5 iron and 25 stone as well as 60 woods. Close. Let's see if it has increased the number of orders I have fulfilled. That's the main motto I am chasing now. I have to fulfill 100 orders anyhow. Yes, 96. No problem. I can fulfill the rest of the orders when I will be able to do that. So no problem. I can make it done. Thank you very much for watching, and please do let me know that if you have fulfilled 100 orders and what the rewards you got. Thank you for watching. See you soon.